right? And if he, as soon as he starts grabbing, boom, boom, more combatives, right? But yeah, I'm not waiting, right? Right, especially in this way, like, okay, anything, no, as soon as I feel movement, I'm either gonna hit, disengage, and then re-engage if I need to or whatever. The other one that comes up a lot is like, if my hand's up here, he's already starting a headlock, right? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, right? But as soon as I'm here and I feel that head pressure, I'm able to get to his back. Right? He's given me the window for it, and I feel the pressure, so I don't go back. Right? That's my ultimate angle. Right? So understanding the angle game is that if we're here and we're facing each other, we're competing, right? Like everybody can agree with that. This is a competition. And the bigger, stronger, more trained person, stronger punch, even if he gets a lucky one, that's who's gonna win. It's a competition. But now once it turns to here, I've created a tactical advantage for myself. His weapons are here, I'm starting to climb, right? Now I'm really at a great angle, I still have that definition, but everything's here and I'm here. Cool, this is where we're gonna fight to. In clinch at all times, I wanna get here. Always. Right? Same thing, on the opposite side, I'm good, okay, yeah, we're competing again. Alright, so I don't want to compete with anything. Alright, the other thing was size differences, right? So I'm having a hard time getting the underhook because of size. The rule of thumb is if somebody is the same height as you or taller, then the underhook is the ideal position, right? If somebody is the same height as you or shorter, an overhook is more likely. The only issue that I have with the overhook is that it's easily defeated. All right, so cut break and Frank for a second. Just to talk about it so we don't waste too much time on it. But like if we're here, do the same motion, boom, and I come through, it's more likely that I'm gonna do that. So everybody understands that, like the underhook, overhook is the arm is the bar, right? So this is my bar, I'm going over the bar, or I'm going under the bar, right? Everybody understand that? So yeah, it's more like I'm still gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go overhook, head pressure out. Now the only issue is that I have to go right to this, which is fine. But he can move his arm, right? Yeah, so, yeah, exactly, move to that. So, as soon as I feel that arm going out, I'm gonna catch it and go into a 2-on-1. However we call it, right? So again, it's just a transition that I have to work into this. So if you decide you're like, hey, I really like this and I wanna work it, train all three as a progression, right? So I'm here, I go underhook, okay, no, it doesn't work, I go overhook, hand comes out, and then I slip to this. And that's like the three main ones of how I work through it. And I go depending on what the pressure is needed. Alright? Does that make sense to everybody? Yeah? Okay, awesome. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use that premise of getting to the back with this position, because realistically they're really bombing it. And we're talking about big overhang here, right? I'm still going to use all the concepts that I talked about, but I'm going to lower my body ever so slightly as I move in. Alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. So all I'm going to do is crouch, right? See where my head is at underneath the shoulder line and I'm slipping through? That's kind of what I want to try to do. Alright? Now I don't want to do this. Drop my head, right? Everybody knows why that's bad. Right, so I still want to address just in case, right? And I don't want to sell it too short, so this takes practice, yes. But I want you to understand the principle behind it, right? So Frank's really bad, just this, right? Once I even hit him with my head and into the ribs, that sucks, but I'm still covering. But as soon as I do that, I'm slipping out, so we'll go this lower. Boom, out. My hand comes up to here as I'm turning the corner. This is a strike, right? So I'm in, grab, strike, now I'm into that seatbelt takedown. Right, but I'm at the back. My favorite takedown of all time is super, super easy. Right? Like anybody can do it, right? Law enforcement 101. The crazy thing is that there's not one. Right? And it's the easiest one that you can do. I don't understand why. So here, lower. As I sneak through, head up obviously. This one comes up, right? This doesn't need to be a strike. If you get it as a strike, sweet, right? But don't worry about it. As I grab and turn the corner, this is a strike into the side of the neck here, and then I'm just going to clasp my hands. So I have 1 and 1. Now all I'm gonna do is just hip bump him. Back. Now I'm gonna just walk backwards. I guide him to the ground, right? I don't, again, when we go back to like our legality and stuff, like I've won the fight, right? So I sit there and go, yeah, to the ground, and then he smashes and scratches all on his shit. Unfortunately, even though he was the one that started it, I'm the bad guy, right? The best part about it is, we'll go slow again, is that here, under, here, and now here, all I gotta do is just walk backwards. He's already going, right? I'm just gonna guide him. Now, here I can disengage. I tend to keep the one that's under as my arrow, right? So I'm gonna direct him to the ground, and then I can come here, run away, or again, I can go into all kinds of control positions if my job is to maintain control. Okay?
So as soon as you get the seatbelt on, and then you're holding him there, you keep your head close to him so he doesn't do the whole
Yes,
stretch your head?
yeah, absolutely. So when I'm turning before I was been throwing Frank around for a minute. So here, and I slide, since he asked the question. As I'm coming, like my head is glued to him here.
As you come up around.
Yeah. Right, and then I turn here. Now once I've turned, right, like this happens fast, we're going slow motion, but yeah, that's a great question. When I turn the corner, like I pace my head to the shoulder. There, like literally, and I'm just rolling like a snake across it, right? Because yeah, it's great. It's if they're switched on enough to get it, and they start retracting, yeah, for sure. There's always anything can happen, right? They call that like statistic, that boxer's chance, right? If you're really, really good and you have really significant training, and if you're like mediocre, you get into that striking phase, even that really good striker may mess up, maybe make it a lucky shot is what they call that. And you got it, right? There's so much gambit in striking, right? The guy I spar with is not very big, but he is wicked fast. And the next champion, next chair champion, and even some of the guys at Willis that I spar with, they like me up too. But every now and then, I get one, right, or a couple on them, and they're like, oh shit, sweet, right? But because that's what it is. It's that chance, right? I'm gonna get one, right? We're all geared up. If you're not, and I get that hook or whatever, I'm gonna get that uppercut. Changes the game, especially if you've been punched in the face before. Yeah, that's a teacher. All right. So yes, so moving and being connected. Before we go forwards, because you brought it up, I'm gonna do that, and we talked about it for something, but I didn't know. So like understanding why connection is so important, right? And I talked about getting inside, getting to cover, holding, feeling what they're doing in their body. Is because out here, so if we use this as an example, so Sheehan has his hand out, we're not going to touch each other's hand, but I want him to follow my hand. There you go. Right? Like, no way, right? But as soon as we connect our hands, now follow me. Okay, way higher percentage of him being followed because we're connected, we're touching. So you can feel what my body's doing, he can mimic that movement. If we have no connectivity, it's guessing. All right, does that make sense to everybody? So that's important. So that builds into like staying on the head to the shoulder, all that kind of stuff. All right, but it's super, super important. All right. So again, once I get to the back, here, under, this stays, strike, grab. Doesn't matter how you grab. I prefer that I grab my wrist to get stronger. And then again, like once I make connection, I'm instantly pulling back. All right. In my hip, like this part of my hip here is what we've got hip bump they call it. That's all I'm doing is I'm just bumping them off. Now his posture's broken, walk out. Sitting over, if he's down there again, see you later. Or I keep him belly down the back of the grass if I choose to do so. Cool. Alright, let's do it. We'll go 3